Imagine this. You're hosting a dinner party and your guests are raving about the melt-in-your-mouth braised short ribs you just served. The secret? It's not just your culinary skills, it's this Stargazer 13.5-inch Cast Iron Braiser Pan. This isn't just another piece of cookware. It's a kitchen powerhouse that elevates every dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're searing, braising, or roasting, this American-made gem promises performance that lasts a lifetime. Curious? Let's dive into why this braiser is stealing the spotlight and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Why the Stargazer braiser stands out. Cast iron cookware has been a kitchen staple for centuries, but Stargazer takes it to a whole new level. Handcrafted in Allentown, Pennsylvania, the 13.5-inch braiser combines timeless tradition with modern innovation. Its sleek design, superior functionality, and thoughtful features make it a must-have for anyone serious about cooking. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. Unmatched versatility. This braiser isn't a one-trick pony. From slow-cooked stews to crispy fried chicken, it handles oven roasting, shallow frying, braising, and even open-fire cooking with ease. Whether you're preparing a family feast or a cozy meal for two, its 4.9-quart capacity has you covered. Smooth, non-stick surface. Unlike traditional cast iron with rough textures, Stargazer's machined cooking surface is buttery smooth. Eggs slide off effortlessly, and cleanup is a breeze, no scrubbing required. The micro-textured finish holds seasoning like a dream, ensuring food releases easily every time. Even heat distribution. Say goodbye to hot spots and unevenly cooked dishes. The Stargazer braiser's thick cast iron construction ensures consistent heat across the entire surface, delivering perfectly cooked meals from edge to edge. Drip-free flared rim. Spills and messes. Not with this pan. The innovative flared rim allows for clean pouring from any angle, keeping your kitchen spotless and your focus on cooking. Lifetime durability. Built to last generations, this braiser is crafted from pure, recycled iron with no toxic coatings. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it's an investment that pays dividends in every delicious bite. Stay cool handles. Dual short handles make it easy to maneuver, even when transferring from stovetop to oven. They stay cooler longer, adding safety and convenience to your cooking experience. Solving real cooking problems. Let's face it, cooking can be frustrating. Unevenly cooked food, sticky pans, and messy spills can turn a fun kitchen session into a chore. The Stargazer 13.5-inch cast iron braiser tackles these pain points head-on. Its spacious design accommodates large cuts of meat or hearty casseroles, perfect for feeding a crowd. The smooth surface means no more scraping stuck on food, and the flared rim eliminates drippy messes. Plus, its compatibility with all cooktops, gas, electric, induction, and even campfires makes it a go-to for any cooking setup. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, this pan simplifies the process and amplifies the results. Who's this pan for? The Stargazer braiser is a dream come true for a wide range of cooks. Home chefs. If you love experimenting with new recipes, this pan's versatility lets you braise, fry, roast, and bake with confidence. Family cooks. Feeding a hungry household? The generous 4.9-quart capacity handles big meals effortlessly, from Sunday roasts to holiday casseroles. Outdoor enthusiasts. Campfire cooking just got better. This pan's rugged design thrives in open fire settings, perfect for rustic adventures. Heritage seekers. Want cookware that tells a story? Handcrafted in the USA, this braiser is built to be passed down, becoming a family heirloom. Real-world performance. My experience. I've put this braiser through its paces, and it's exceeded expectations every time. Searing a thick ribeye? The pan delivered a golden crust while keeping the inside juicy. Braising lamb shanks? The even heat turned tough cuts into fork-tender perfection. I even baked a cornbread that slid out flawlessly, golden and crisp. What struck me most was how intuitive it felt. Lifting it in and out of the oven was a breeze thanks to the dual handles, and cleanup took minutes. After months of use, the seasoning has only gotten better, proving this pan truly improves with age. The benefits that seal the deal. Here's why the Stargazer Braiser is worth every penny. 1. Effortless cooking. The smooth surface and even heat make every dish a success, no matter your skill level. 2. Time saving. Cleanup. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. 3. Timeless investment. With proper care, this pan will outlast you, offering unmatched value for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.